Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Treasury Notes on Vanguard. Start by logging into your Vanguard account and confirm you have a brokerage or IRA that permits bond purchases. Next, decide on the maturity you want and check current yields. Choose the amount to invest and whether to buy in the secondary market or during an auction. Review fees, confirm settlement details, and submit your order with confidence and a calm, steady approach. Log into Vanguard and open the Fixed Income or Bonds tab, then filter for Treasury Notes. Compare maturities and yields, and click the specific CUSIP you want to buy. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest and confirm whether you are buying on the secondary market or participating in a Treasury auction. Double-check settlement dates and any brokerage requirements, then submit your order and save the confirmation for your records. Remember that Treasury note interest is federally taxed, but exempt from state and local taxes, so plan accordingly. Consider using an IRA to defer federal taxes or building a ladder of different maturities to smooth income and reinvestment timing. Keep an eye on the yield curve and interest rate outlook when choosing durations, and balance safety and return based on your goals. Reassess periodically to stay aligned with your portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.